Okay, we got the last of the air intake hoses off. We got these off, which went here. We got the throttle body, or the throttle adjustment cable bracket off. Put the bolts back in here. Disconnected this from right here, right there. You can kind of see it. Next is going to be, what is next? Fuel. So move the bracket or the retainer, and then this on mine is just loose. So we're gonna pop those off. Injectors, label 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop those off, and then we can start unbolting, start unbolting the intake manifold. Next is fuel. I got this off right there, just slides off. And then this one, let's see here, there it is. We'll loosen this up and take it off. Rag's here to catch any leftover fuel in the hoses. Okay, injectors, 1, 2, 3, 4 is blank. And then this line from the PCV system, which plugs in right there. So we're gonna slide that off. And I think we'll go ahead and slide that off there as well. Okay. Hose, ground wire, which goes right there. Ground wire and ground wire. All right, here we go. Injectors, 1, 2, 3, 4 are off. The ground bolts, which are also brackets holding the fuel rail in, are off. The fuel hose down here connected to the bottom of the fuel rail is off. And the final nut right there is off. So, it should just lift right out. There we go. All right, before we start unbolting the intake manifold and taking this off, got this guy right here. That goes down underneath here. All right, just pulled out the flame trap kit. So we got this L hose here, which is disgusting and hard as a rock. The internal portion here is, I can see through it, but it's still disgusting. And the hose up here, I think this will be fine to reuse unless I have this hose in the kit that I bought. We'll see. Here we go. Got it. It's off. All right, it is off. Inside here, that's super cool. Love it. All right, so we have temperature sensor right here. Just wiggle that off. Then we have, what is that? Is that the knock sensor? Is that even connected to the cylinder head? Whatever that is, I'll probably take that off. Looks like another temp sensor here.